Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. It has been about 10 days since my last update, and during that time, the market has been moving sideways, with Bitcoin trading below 70,000 while investor sentiment remains cautious. Much of this uncertainty is driven by geopolitical tensions and broader global concerns, which have increased fear across financial markets. Despite that cautious mood, several historical and on-chain indicators are beginning to show signals that a potential turning point could be forming. Starting with valuation metrics, Bitcoin's NVT score has dropped to its lowest level ever recorded. This metric compares network value to transaction activity, and when it reaches very low levels, it can indicate that price is trading well below the level suggested by network usage. Historically, periods of very low NVT readings have often appeared before large upward moves. Another interesting historical observation is related to market cycles. In every previous cycle, Bitcoin formed a major low, roughly 23 months after the prior all-time high was broken. Right now, we are sitting very close to that same 23-month window. While patterns do not guarantee future outcomes, it is an observation that many analysts are watching closely. Looking at momentum indicators, the monthly RSI has historically found support along a long-term trend line that has marked major turning points in previous cycles. Once again, the RSI is approaching that same structural area, suggesting the market may be testing an important long-term level. Several analysts have also pointed out that the current market structure resembles compression before expansion. One chart shared recently shows Bitcoin moving through a long-term price ladder from 19,000 to 69,000, suggesting that reclaiming the upper channel could open the door to significantly higher valuations over time. On the candlestick side, the weekly chart recently printed what appears to be an inverted hammer formation. In technical analysis, this can sometimes signal that downward pressure is slowing, although these patterns should always be considered together with other indicators rather than in isolation. Sentiment data also shows that fear levels remain elevated among investors. Historically, major turning points often develop when sentiment is extremely cautious, as markets tend to shift direction when expectations are at their lowest. From a macro perspective, some analysts are watching the Bitcoin-to-gold ratio. If that ratio begins to turn upward, it could indicate that Bitcoin is starting to outperform gold again, which historically aligns with periods of stronger demand for digital assets. Another chart comparing copper and gold ratios recently reached historically low levels, while the RSI approached long-term support. Similar conditions in the past have appeared near major turning points in the Bitcoin market. Finally, longer-term scarcity models such as the stock-to-flow framework suggest that Bitcoin's valuation could be significantly higher over time, even though the market is currently trading below 70,000. In addition, price recently touched the 200-week moving average, a level that has historically acted as an important long-term support area during previous market cycles. Taken together, these signals suggest the market may be entering a phase where pressure is building beneath the surface. While short-term volatility may continue, the broader structure indicates that the next major move could eventually develop from this period of consolidation. I will continue updating you frequently. Join the free Discord for real-time insights. Thanks for leaving a comment, it really helps the channel. Click the like button if you got value from this video. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell to stay updated. And see you in the next one.